We're making this skirt, which is quite popular on Pinterest. We'll use 2 colors. For this double crochet pattern, we start by measuring the leg length. We chain from the waistline to the desired length. We build our pattern with 2 double crochets and 2 chains. After completing 2 rows, we switch to the next color of yarn. When we reach the desired length, we join it and move on to the waistband. I made 13 chain length. We go back and complete the waistband with single crochet. And now, our skirt is ready.